guys, it's Tiffany from Super Easy Math. Today's Einstein activity says the length of a frame is 3 times its width. What is the ratio of the width to the perimeter? So I'm just going to make up some numbers and I'm going to make sure the ratio or proportion to each other is what they're asking for. What the numbers are don't really matter as long as the ratio is correct, because when you simplify a ratio, you're going to simplify to the same answer every time, no matter what you started out with. It's sort of like simplifying a fraction. As long as it's an equivalent fraction or an equivalent ratio, it will simplify to the same number. So it says the length of the frame is 3 times its width. So I'm going to call this the width and I'm going to call this the length. So obviously, because this is an equilateral triangle, the length would also be here and the width would also be here. Now it says the length of the frame is 3 times its width. So let's just choose the number 10 for the width. And if the length is 3 times that, that means the length would be 30. Now, to answer the question, the problem asks, what is the ratio of the width to the perimeter? In order to calculate the perimeter, you need to add up all of the sides. So that means I need to remember that this is 30 and this is 10. And then I add up all of these numbers. So it's 30 plus 10 plus 30 plus 10, and you get 80. So 80 is the perimeter and the width is 10. So the width to perimeter ratio would be written like this. But now I'm going to rewrite it, but just using the numbers. So we know the width is 10. And then you put your colon and you refer to that as the word 2 when you're saying it. And then the perimeter is 80. So the ratio of the width to the perimeter is 10 to 80. Or you can simplify that to 1 to 8. So no matter what numbers you chose to use in the frame for your length and width, assuming you calculated the length as being 3 times the length of the width correctly, you should have still been able to reduce your overall ratio to 1 to 8 at the end. Guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And as always, here's tomorrow's Einstein activity. See if you can solve it before I do, then comment down below with what you think the answer is. Then head over to supereasymath.com and click on math videos. Once you're there, you can have access to all of my videos where I teach everything in order with notes the way you need it.